Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my Publix haul for this week, and this is the week of January the 13th through January the 19th. And there were some super hot deals at Publix this week, and these are the ones that I chose, and I will be doing two transactions. This is my regular grocery haul here, and then over on this end, this column, these are the Ibotta rebates, or checkout 51, or products I use coupons on. Okay, we're gonna jump right in. First product is this cheese, $3.99 regular, $2 is the BOGO price. $3.29 regular, $1.65 BOGO for these drinks. And I have three, that one, and this one, and that one. Starbucks coffee, $6.49. Two of the 99-cent Taster's Choice coffees. We have the 40-count Glad bags. I have two of those. $3.49 regular, $1.74 is the BOGO price. Grab some of this corn. It's $4.99. Then I grabbed some of the red potatoes. The red potatoes are $3.99, and it's a 3-pound bag. I have two Powerades, $5.99 regular, and then the BOGO price is $3. So it made these $5.99 for two, or $3 each. Awesome deal. I have the Marie Calendar pies. There are two different sizes here. I have two of this one, the smaller size, $2.16 regular, $1.08 is the BOGO price for the smaller size. Then we got the larger size, $2.76 regular, $1.38 BOGO. And that size, 15 ounces. I have two of the Jenny O turkey franks. They are $2.29 regular, $1.15 is the BOGO price. And these look so delicious. Next, I grabbed some of this cheese. I purchased this cheese, I think it was this one last week, but it was the smaller container. But this week, the larger container is on sale, $6.49 regular, and then $3.25 is the BOGO price. And this is the 10-ounce size. Great deal. The shrimp are $8.99 this week, and it's this particular size, 41 to 50 count shrimp, or $8.99. And it's this one, and there's quite a bit in this bag. Looks like that. And the last item on this transaction was the Totino pizza rolls. And this is the 3-pound size, $10.99 regular, and $5.15 is the BOGO price. So $5.15, and there's a Publix digital. I didn't check the size for the digital, but there's a $2. Actually, there's two coupons for these pizza rolls on the digital. There's a $2.25 one, and then there's also a $2 one for a different size. So before you go out and shop, if you plan to use that coupon, check the size. Okay, so that concludes the first transaction. This was of just my regular grocery products. And then the next group of items are from the Ibotta rebates, checkout 51, and coupons that I used. So for the first transaction, I paid $60.36. And if I had put my phone number in, I think that $2.25 off would have came off on that pizza roll. However, I didn't enter that today. So $60.36 for this. Great deal. The next products I will be sharing are the Checkout 51 offers, Ibotta rebates, and also coupons that I use for the butter. First, we have the vegan butter. The vegan butter is $2.96 regular, $1.48 BOGO. There's 75 cents off coupon, and the 1-3 Retail Me Not makes this just 73 cents. Then I have this one, $2.96 regular, $1.48 BOGO, 50 cents coupon, Retail Me Not, 1-3, makes it 98 cents. I have 2 of those. The Lean Cuisine bowls are on a promotion this week. So that promotion takes off 55 cents. So they're $2.76 regular, and the promotion takes off 55 cents. So that takes it down to $2.21. And then there's a 75 cents Ibotta rebate. So it makes this product $1.46 after the Ibotta rebate. So I have 2. I have this one as well as this one. They look so delicious. Can't wait to try them out. Next, we have some graham crackers. The graham crackers are on BOGO this week. $4.39 regular, $2.20 is the BOGO price, and that's for the smaller one. And there's a Checkout 51 offer on these for $1. So after the Checkout 51 offer, you just be paying $1.19 after you get your Checkout 51 offer back. The larger size is $4.69 is the regular price, and then $2.34 is the BOGO price. So it makes the larger size just $1.34 after the Checkout 51 rebate. And my last item is this Checkout 51 offer for these Halls cough drops. And these were completely free. The regular price is $1.87 and BOGO price is 97 cents. There's a Checkout 51 offer for $1 on each bag. So it made those completely free. So to sum it up, I paid $22.50 for these items. The cough drops, the butter, the Lean Cuisine, and the graham crackers. So $22.50 was the total. I received back $5 for the cough drops, $1 each from Checkout 51, as well as $4 for the graham crackers from Checkout 51. That's a total of $9. As well as $1.50 from Ibotta, 75 cents for each one of these bowls. So that totals $10.50. So $22.50 minus $10.50 equals $12 for 15 items, or just 80 cents each. Okay, so 15 items. You got those ones. So $12 for this group of items here. Alright, so I'll let you get a quick look of all the items. Shove it all back together. Okay, so we've got corn, turkey franks, the juices, glad bags, Powerade, coffee, so much goodness here. Okay, we got all of that. Now this wonderful cheese, shrimp, and we've got some Totino rolls back there. I hope this was helpful. And if you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and sharing the video. Thanks so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.